Right, Tom Bradley International Terminal. It's got some signage up now. It's looking straight up legit. See, some of the roofline facade is complete. So same old story for Tom Bradley as we pan over here and see still a lot of work to be done. Still kind of remains the same. So looks like they're focusing more on getting the Tom Bradley International signage and all that glass in first, and then when they're ready for it, they'll connect another pedestrian bridge connecting Bradley to People Mover. It's West Station. And you can see where that facade looks pretty nice there. You see how it's kind of shiny. It's like about a third of it so far has been finalized. They still have a lot of work to go.